In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2015 through 2017 Ford F-350. To open this key fob, all you'll need is a small flathead screwdriver. Your first step to open the key fob will be to push a button and release the key. Next, you'll want to use your small flathead screwdriver and find the notch on the back panel. Once you find the notch, you'll just want to use the screwdriver to help pry it off. Once you have the key fob open, you'll see the battery is located here. Again, you'll want to use that small flathead screwdriver to help pop the old battery out. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply snap the new battery back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side up. Once you have the new battery back in, you can snap the back of the key fob, close the key, and you're done. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.